everyone. So today is our day one of our vacation in Sun River. Sun River is in Southern Oregon and we are just staying here in a very snowy cabin for the next week, which is gonna be so fun. Chloe's just snacking and making a huge mess. Look at that face. We are here with multiple families in 2 houses for just a really fun week-long getaway. I'm trying to maintain somewhat of a routine. Don't have that much hope for today because, like I said, it is our first day. Last night was a little rough. Chloe just slept in here in the pack and play, and we made Marcus a little bed right down there by our bed. And considering it was the first night of us all sleeping in the same room, I'm surprised we got any sleep at all. But I have more hopes for tomorrow. So anyways, I just thought I would bring you guys along on the vacation. Sun River is just a really fun vacation spot in Southern Oregon that has tons of snow, because where I'm from in Portland, we get snow maybe once a year, and this year it hasn't come at all. So I think the kids are gonna have tons of fun playing out in the snow. I'm about to put Chloe down for her first nap, and I will check in with you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so everyone else went out swimming, but Chloe's actually down for a nap, so me, Daniel, and the kids stayed here. I'm just doing a little bit of editing. Marcus just finished up lunch, and now he's over there playing with all the toys. Lots of new toys to play with. And Daniel's been trying to get some reading in, but I think he's a little tired to keep going. So anyways, we just have a little bit of downtime. Oh, are you okay? Okay. Oh, okay. We have downtime right now, but hopefully when Chloe wakes up, we will head outside and let them play in the snow. So I thought, now that the kids are up, I would give you a quick tour of the house and the room we're staying in. It's actually really nicely furnished for a rental, vacation rental. It's kind of messy right now because all the kids have been playing and stuff, but it is really nice looking. This is the dining room area here with vaulted ceilings. The kitchen is a little small, and those cabinets are right up against the stairway, so they don't even really open. Like, that one is a spice rack, but other than that, those are just like dead space, all the other ones, which is kind of very limiting space-wise, especially when you have so many families trying to share a kitchen. Again, we have kind of everything out and it's just a mess. Here is our view, which is absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait. Daniel's over in the other house reading right now because that one is really quiet, but he'll be back soon and we'll just go spend some time outside. I know the kids are gonna love it. There are 2 bedrooms upstairs in this loft area up here, and 2 more bedrooms downstairs. So there's the stairway. 1 bedroom right over here, the bathroom, the garage is right up front. The front door is right there, it's kind of bright, and then the garage is right there as well. And then this bedroom is ours, and it's just really simply done, but I just really like the color scheme and just how simple it is. Just like simple and organic, and I always have liked this color purple too. So yeah, that is the room that we're staying in. Like I said, we're kind of just all moved in right now and everything's a little bit messy, but I thought it's probably only gonna get worse, so I should give you guys a house tour on day 1. And then there's this beautiful, huge fireplace right in the middle of the room, which we probably won't use because with all the little kids, that would be pretty dangerous. So yeah, this is where we're staying, and Marky's just playing right now. Oh, do you need a diaper change? Yeah, no. Say hi. No, you're good? Okay. Do you want to go play outside soon? Are you tea? I'm sitting here editing my grocery haul video, and he brought me this little teeny cup of tea. It was so cute. I'm like, how do you know? How do you know that that's something I love while I'm editing? And it just makes my day for someone to think and bring me a cup of tea or something. And he did. What a sweetie. Ow. Are you okay? Did you get hurt? Okay. So it is, I think it's around 4:30, and we're all spending time outside in the snow. And look at Chloe. Chloe's got all this snow gear on, and she looks just so cute. Hey, Coco. She's having trouble getting up. It's a bit much for her. She's never seen snow before. Okay. Oh, uh-oh, we lost it. Oh, we're losing a shoe and a glove. Uh-oh.
Alright, now you can totally sit here. Yeah. Are you in? Okay.
Wait, no? Let's just watch for a couple minutes. You want to go back?
1, 2, 3.
Whee! Did you like that, Marky?
Okay, let's.
Thanks for that smile.
I don't think that matters. I think Hannah just wants to
wrong?
watch her go down and she's busy.
Do you want to go again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Say cheese. Okay, ready, set, go.
1, 2, 3.
Whee! Marcus, was that fun? Look at mommy.
Marcus.
He's stuck.
Hey, Marcus.
Stuck?
So it is day 2 of our vacation trip. Coco just woke up from her first nap. And now we are all out here doing some fun crafts. Murky is loving the pom-poms. They're putting them in this muffin tin with a couple friends and through this tube, and we're just doing a couple Valentine's Day crafts. This is the card that Marky made. And then Lizzie made this fun one too, and she's decorating it. Good job, Lizzie. And then Mia's is right over here. Everyone's doing such a good job, and they're just having fun with the pom-poms. I didn't even need to think through card making. Oh, very nice, Marcus. One of the pom-poms is inside the cap. I just have to film Miss Cuteness and her little piggy tails. Yeah. Chloe! Oh, you have a book? Oh, whoa.
Want a cookie?
Ooh, Coco. Hey, Chloe, do you want a cookie from Kiana? Yeah, why don't you go get a cookie from Kiana? Oh, you want me to read that book? Amelia Earhart. Read it? Okay, come here. Okay. Once upon a time, when Amelia was a little girl, she dreamt she could fly like a bird. Oh, can you help me turn the page, Kiana?
Yeah.
Perfect. One day, she saw airplanes flying in the sky. Oh, turn the page. Yeah. Hi. 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 Marcus, say yay. Oh, wow, you're good at that. Whoa. So it's been really, really windy last night, and this branch fell down. And look how close it is.
It actually did.
Look how close it is to this car. Oh, looks like it did hit their car.
Their car right here, right where your hand is, right there.
So, right here?
Yep, see that spot?
Oh, yeah.
And then snapped.
Anyways, but it could have been a lot worse.
Ready? Pull up your feet. Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
He loves that bike.
Pull up your feet, pull up your feet. Whoa, let's show mama how we do it.
Wow.
Say D.
D.
Say D.
Can you say hi, Tata?
Hi.
Say hi, Tata.
Hi,
Good job. Hey guys, so it is currently Friday, which is either the 5th or 6th day of our vacation. 6th, I think. But anyways, it's been a couple days since I picked up the camera, and the reason is pretty much everyone in this house has come down with the flu. This little lady is getting tired, so I need to hurry this up. So there's 4 families staying in this house, and Marcus has the flu. Daniel thinks he's coming down with the flu. And there's only 2 well people in this house plus Chloe. Chloe is still well, but I think the other babies are getting sick as well. So a lot has been going on. I just haven't picked up a camera. Today I'm feeling kind of a tickle in my throat, which I'm hoping is still that cough. If you guys have watched any of my like previous videos for the last couple weeks, I've had a cough, like a lingering cough, and so I'm just praying that I've already had the flu, because a lot of the symptoms sound very similar and I need to be well to take care of my family. And we're driving home tomorrow, so I don't really want to be sick with the flu on the way home. But anyways, yeah, so we've all been just kind of in survival mode. Last night we all just ate leftovers, which we had a ton of, so it worked out just fine. I've been up, Daniel and I have been up both days, the last 2 nights at 3:30, because Marcus, he threw up the first night, and Chloe woke up, and after that she was just awake the rest of the morning, so I took care of her. And I think at 5:30 is when he threw up, and then this morning he woke up at 3:30 with a fever and hungry, and he kept asking for milk and popcorn, so we just let him have whatever he wanted. And Daniel took care of him this morning, and I got to sleep in with Chloe. So even though we were up and down, I feel pretty good because Daniel let me sleep in, which is really nice of him. But anyway, so yeah, that's where we're at. I'm just praying that Chloe and I don't get sick. Like I said, I'm just hoping that what we had was the flu, just a light case of it. Even though Marcus has been sick, he keeps wanting to go outside and play outside. It's been a warm, sunny day today, so it's been all right. And then this little girl has just been having so much fun playing outside as well. Anyways, it's nap time for these guys, and they're so cute. But it's been really fun, except for getting sick. The first night was pretty rough, but after that the kids adapted to where we were staying, and they've actually done really great. We've all slept in the same room this whole time, and they've just kind of learned to go with it, which has really been nice. Anyway, so I need to go get Marcus and Chloe down for a nap, and then Daniel wants to take a shower and everything while they're napping, and I'm going to edit some video if I can. And oh, there's one last thing that I want to do though, probably tonight, because we haven't actually utilized this hot tub, which is right outside our window. And we all brought swimsuits, so hopefully tonight we're all feeling good enough to use it. Anyways, this girl needs to be fed and put down for a nap, and this mess needs to be cleaned up. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're all having a wonderful day. If you're new to my channel, I hope that you will hit that subscribe button and become part of my YouTube family. And Coco and I will see you all in our next video. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Good job. Bye, guys.